What you're about to witness isn't just repair. It is a resurrection. In a world that throws things away, one woman dares to rebuild. She finds forgotten machines, silenced by time and nature, and awakens the secrets hidden within their rusted shells. Stay with us, as a transformative journey is about to be unveiled. Her story begins here, in a remote stream, with a machine lost to the water. With sheer will, she reclaims it from the grasp of the wild. Each piece is caked in mud and memory, a puzzle waiting to be solved. Back in her open-air workshop, the true challenge begins. The heart of the machine, the engine, is exposed. With practiced hands, she begins the delicate process of disassembly. Every screw, every gear, holds a clue to its past life. The carburetor, choked with grime, is the first to be revived. An unconventional cleaning solution offers a surprising new beginning. Years of neglect are carefully brushed and washed away. Piece by piece, the machine is meticulously brought back from the brink. The reassembly is a dance of precision and memory. Soon, the engine looks whole again, a shadow of its former self. The moment of truth arrives, a single kick, a breath of life. Success, a smile of quiet satisfaction for a job well done. In this world, every working machine is a lifeline. A new day brings another challenge, an old, silent air compressor. Once again, she dives into the intricate mechanics. Her focus is absolute, her hands stained with the grease of her trade. Each part is carefully removed, inspected, and understowed. The piston, the very heart of the compressor, is unveiled. She meticulously strips away the layers of time. A thorough cleaning reveals the true potential hidden beneath. Now, the transformative process of reassembly can begin. Each component is returned to its rightful place. Connections are checked, ensuring a seamless flow of power. The motor is carefully set back into its housing. But the restoration is not just mechanical, it's aesthetic. A vibrant coat of paint signals a complete rebirth. The machine is no longer a relic, but a statement of renewal. Final touches are applied with care. The last pieces of the puzzle are fitted into place. A final inspection before the crucial test. The switch is flipped, a familiar hum returns. From forgotten scrap to a functioning tool, her work is complete. Her skills are called upon again, this time by the water's edge. The necessary tools are brought to the site of the breakdown. She prepares her workspace, a makeshift station for complex repairs. The target is a small but vital water pump engine. With precision tools, she begins her familiar ritual. The engine's outer shell is carefully peeled away. Her methodical approach ensures no detail is overlooked. The inner workings are revealed, awaiting her diagnosis. Every component must be cleansed of impurities. A meticulous bath to wash away the grime of years of service. The patient process of rebuilding begins once more. Modern tools accelerate the careful reconstruction. She works with an innate understanding of the machine's design. The pieces come together, reversing the decay. The engine is nearly whole, its revival almost complete. A final check of all her work. Each part is secured, ready for operation. The engine is refilled with essential fluids. The restoration is astonishing, a testament to her skill. With a quiet smile of pride, she surveys her finished work. Her reputation extends to the largest and most powerful machines. An old earth mover, a giant left for rust, is her next patient. She approaches the behemoth, undaunted by its scale. The first step is always the same, a careful, deep cleaning. Her hands, though stained, move with expert grace. A moment of preparation before tackling the heart of the beast. She investigates the silent engine, searching for the source of failure. Sometimes, even she requires a helping hand. Accessing the core components requires strength and strategy. Her methodical inspection continues, a process of elimination. While the giant waits, a smaller, urgent job appears. This three-wheeled vehicle is a vital part of local life. She quickly gets to work, dismantling the wheel assembly. The old, worn tire is removed with practiced efficiency. Every part is inspected before being reinstalled. A new tire is fitted, promising renewed reliability. The wheel is reassembled with care. Every bolt is tightened, ensuring safety on the road. The wheel is mounted back onto the vehicle's frame. A final check confirms the repair is solid. Another task awaits, a small truck, its body surrendering to rust. She begins the painstaking work of sanding away the decay. With the surface prepared, she readies her painting equipment. A fresh coat of paint begins the truck's transformation. The work is messy, but the results are always rewarding. But her work isn't confined to her own yard. She is called upon. This old tractor, the backbone of a farm, has fallen silent. She begins the familiar process of diagnosing the problem. The heavy wheel must be removed to access the tractor's mechanics and carefully put back into place. Soon, the tractor is running again, its purpose restored. But the journey for this machine is not yet over. It needs a complete overhaul, a deeper revival. Back at her workshop, she dives into the engine's core. The work is heavy, requiring both strength and precision. She carefully dismantles the complex machinery. Then, the meticulous cleaning process begins. With focused intensity, she brings a forgotten engine back to life. This is more than a job, it is a passion. Her hands, though covered in grease, are instruments of creation. The work continues, with help from a knowing elder. Wisdom is passed down through shared experience. She scrubs away years of neglect from the engine block. Smaller parts are bathed, cleansed for their new life. Fresh oil, like a lifeblood transfusion, is added. Even the smallest details receive a touch of color and care. The intricate valve system is carefully reassembled. Each bolt is tightened to precise specifications. Specialized tools are required for this delicate operation. The engine begins to look whole once more. A moment of rest as one journey ends and another is about to begin. Suddenly, her skills are needed for an emergency. The newly revived tractor is called into action as a rescue vehicle. Her machine becomes a symbol of hope in a moment of crisis. Slowly, carefully, the overturned car is righted. The rescue is a success. But her work is not over yet. Now, she must see if the damaged car can be saved. From heavy-duty tractors to delicate car engines, her talent knows no bounds. She is the quiet hero of these country roads. The day's work continues, back in her familiar workshop. She tends to another patient, this time a red sedan. The hood is lifted, revealing another mechanical mystery. She tackles the job with her usual confidence and skill. This community relies on its vehicles and on her. Her attention to detail is unwavering. Each bolt is tightened with purpose. She consults with the car's owner, explaining her process. Nearby, another project awaits its transformation. A work truck, worn down by years of hard labor. She shifts her focus, ready for the next challenge. The truck's cabin holds the first clues to its ailments. She investigates the engine compartment with a practiced eye and crawls underneath, exploring the undercarriage. No part of the vehicle escapes her thorough inspection. Small samples are taken, telling a story about the engine's health. She continues her work beneath the heavy vehicle. The truck is given fuel, a first step in its revival. The suspension system requires her careful attention. Her work done for now, she greets the viewer with a knowing look. The white truck is a complex puzzle of wires and steel. Carrying her tools, she is always ready for the next problem. She works deep within the truck's engine bay. Even the dashboard must be dismantled to find the fault. She navigates the complex wiring with expertise. This is a slow, patient search for a single point of failure. She works on the rear of the vehicle. The wiring harness is a tangled web she must decipher. Even the truck bed is cleared to ensure a complete repair. The truck, its repair seemingly complete, rests in the garage. But the day's work is not done. From the bushes, another project is pulled. A forgotten water pump, desperately in need of her skills. She settles in for yet another intricate mechanical revival. Its components are laid bare, revealing the extent of the damage. She works with a quiet, intense focus. Each part is tightened and secure. The pump's internal mechanisms are carefully checked. Slowly, it is brought back together. A final check ensures it is ready for service once more. The work is tireless, a constant cycle of decay and renewal. Her final task of the day, another small engine. She inspects her handiwork, ensuring every piece is perfect. A final wipe down of the engine casing. The reassembly process is swift and sure. Even as she works, life continues around her. She is a constant, steady force of restoration. With the job done, she can finally rest, proud of the life she has restored. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Wrench Girl for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.